Nicholas, I'm gonna let you in a little secret, okay?
Audiences love to cheer.
And they love armpits. It's true, Nicholas. So if you want an audience to go crazy, all you gotta do is show them your armpits. Here, watch me. Watch. Here we go. Watch this.
Now, I've got a feeling, Nicholas, that they are gonna like you. That's very exciting. What, did you just tell something about ADHD kids?
I was exactly that way at that age.
Hey, Nicholas, you know what? I bet they are gonna like your armpits a whole lot more than Lars.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, buddy. Show them what you got.
So use those armpits, Nicholas. Don't abuse them. Now, my young friend, maybe come right over here and face your adoring fans. Now put your arms straight out like this. Perfect. Armpits again. Love his dizzy face. Nicholas, what we got for you for being so brave and being so young is your very own Barely Balanced sticker. That's for you.
Yay! Well, hey, watch your step.